If you're a CapCut editor trying to learn Alight Motion, transitions might look really complicated at first, but almost every edit is actually built from just three things: keyframes, null layers, and graphs. Once you understand these three, you can create any transition. In the last video, we covered the basic interface, but now it's time to learn how transitions actually work. Open Alight Motion and make your clips ready. To understand null layers, first tap the plus icon to add a layer. You'll see multiple options. Select Object. Now you'll see 4 options. Just ignore the others and tap on Null. Next, place the null layer at the start of the first clip and adjust its length to match the clip. Now, select your clip, tap on this option, and choose Null 1. What this does is connect the clip to the null layer, so any movement we apply to the null will control the clip. If you don't connect it, the null layer won't affect the clip. Now, you might be wondering, why use a null layer when we already have the Move and Transform option on the clip? The reason is smoothness and control. You can create the transition directly on the clip, but using null layers makes the movement much smoother, especially for high-end transitions. Now, tap on the null layer, go to Move and Transform, and let's create a simple transition. Tap on Zoom and add 2 keyframes, one at the start of the clip and one at the end. Now, here's something cool about Alight Motion keyframes. Unlike CapCut, you can move keyframes even after placing them. Just hold the keyframe and drag it wherever you want. In CapCut, once you place a keyframe, it stays locked in that position. But here, you can move it freely without breaking your transition. Another useful trick, if you want to remove all keyframes, just hold the keyframe. Make sure the playhead is on the keyframe. Then you'll see an option to delete them all at once. Now, before we create any transition, make sure to set the pivot point. To do that, tap on the null, go to Move and Transform, and press Position. In the center, you'll see a small point. Make sure to place it in the center or on the character's face so the transition starts from there. Now go back to the first keyframe and zoom the clip in a little. Not too much, just a medium zoom. Next, tap on the Graph option. Graphs might look scary at first, but they're actually one of the most powerful tools for smooth transitions. For this transition, I'll apply this graph, which makes the movement go from slow to fast. If this graph is too hard, you can apply this one, which works similar. You can also copy this graph and paste it onto other clips to make your workflow much faster. Now repeat the process of adding nulls and applying the transition. Then paste the same graph you copied. And this is the final result. Make sure this video hits 3,000 likes, and I'll upload a shake tutorial next.